The Solana killer is here with a potential of massive profit up ahead in this next bull market. Let's jump right into it. Smash those likes, hit that like, and make sure you hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Let's jump right into it. What we're talking about SEI Network. This thing's pumped 90% in the last 7 days alone, up 204% in the last month. And even today, with Bitcoin dropping, massive collapse, this thing is still up 16.8%. We're going to jump into the TA, look at some key levels. But before, what is SEI, right? Quickly, just want to let you guys know this is not sponsored. This is not for this, just me doing my own research on these different coins to see what is popping off and what is a good time to look at these levels. So, quickly over here, once again, SEI Network is quickly give you a quick about what it is. It's the first sector specific layer one blockchain specialized in trading to give exchanges an unfair advantage. What are the critical levels here? Well, quickly, just a quick overview of what the last couple of weeks has been doing. We have broken out of this range last week of about 55 cents, had a massive run up, and I've been creating this new range up here this week, starting the new year. Today itself, this is the 4-hour chart. Today, we broke above this range and trying to make new all-time highs here. And let me tell you, now we're coming back to retest this value area high of 82 cents. If we break down below, obviously the point of control is the next key level at 75 cents. And then the value area low for this range is 68 cents. If we break below this, right, that would be, I'll tell you right now how a measured move of 17% pullback. Obviously, I told you guys earlier that this thing has been running and it's up 90% in the last 7 days alone. So a 17% pullback would be nothing. It'd probably be a great point to start maybe looking for entry points. If we break below this, the next value you want to be looking for is this 56 key point level that you guys can see we wicked all the way down to and bounced off of just today alone. So we retest here. This would be a great point for me. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging at this point. If we see this here, this 56 cents, especially if we drop below it and drop into the previous week range between 54 and 38 cents, I think those would be massive, as in at that point from where we're at right now, a drop like that would be about 51% pullback. I don't expect this to happen instantaneously. I expect this, if it were to happen, to slowly come down, right? If we do have a pullback in the markets at some point with Bitcoin ETF approval or denial, eventually we could come and retest these levels. I don't see that happening, like I said, instantaneously. And it's going to be a slow dollar cost averaging position for me. It's about adoption and scalability and speed. That's what their main key here is. As you can see, big investors are behind this, Coinbase included, Layer Zero, Step and Step, and a lot of other big players out here, Flow Traders. A lot of big companies are behind this. And quickly, DAI puts out 20,000 transactions compared to Solana's only 10,000 in a fraction of the time, with 380 milliseconds, when Solana takes about 2.5 seconds. So it's faster, it's cheaper, more output, and you cannot front run transactions on this blockchain. It's also and proof of stake for the network to be running. So great. Obviously, you don't even have to look about it, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Just against Solana, this thing is massive throughput. So we'll start accumulating as we go and start revisiting those levels. If we don't revisit them, then whatever, we go to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. For SEI Network. I think SEI Network is going to perform extremely well in 2024 and 2025. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about SEI Network? Are you buying a bag? Did you already own this thing? Where did you get in? Let me know. Drop it in the comments. Hit that like and hit that subscribe.